A safety lesson on wheels. North Kansas City schools and BikeWalkKC hosted the first ever North Kansas City Wheel Smart Bash after growing concerns about kids on bikes, scooters, and especially faster e-bikes. Our Ali Espinoza explains more.
Out here at parks just like this one, e-scooters and e-bikes are causing more safety concerns, and that's why North Kansas City schools and BikeWalkKC are teaming up. With more wheels, North Kansas City Schools says they're also hearing more worries about safety.
We're trying to educate the public rather than enforce more rules and limit kids' freedom and mobility.
That's why the district partnered with BikeWalkKC for the first ever North Kansas City Wheel Smart Bash, a free event built around hands-on lessons to help kids ride smart.
There's this road in our neighborhood that has exactly 0 stop signs, and whenever people are driving down that as fast as they can because there's no stop signs, we got to know what we are doing to protect ourselves whenever they aren't protecting themselves.
They say it's about prevention before a close call becomes a trip to the hospital.
We want the kids to be able to protect themselves. We've been seeing it too often in the news with young kids getting hurt and injured, ending up in Children's Mercy, and we don't want that.
BikeWalkKC says the biggest change right now is speed and weight, especially with motorized bikes.
These devices go obviously much faster and they're much heavier. And that even goes for legal e-bikes, which the legal e-bike class 3, the top speed it goes is 28 miles an hour. But these e-motos, which a lot of these kids are riding and where we're seeing a lot of the issues, those go sometimes 60, 70, 80 miles an hour.
In the end, it's simple. Fewer risks, fewer injuries, and kids who know what to do before the next ride turns into an emergency. Reporting in North Kansas City, Ali Espinoza, KCTV 5 News.